In this video, Lamaya, I'm going to discuss 2024-2025 O-level paper, right? So let's start the word, right? So all the students, Lamai, you can download the paper. I already given you the link in the description, right? So you can download the paper. I'm going to discuss the first paper in this video. The next video, I'm going to discuss the second paper, right? So let's try to start this one, right? Patangam pretty ready, right? Yes. Then look at the first one, Lamite. 25 questions are there, right? Yes. Then I think you can clearly see the screen. Pain on the screen. Yes. It is estimated that 6 men will take 8 days to paint the walls of a house, right? Or I can share the paper with you. Mada paper එක share කරන්නත් පුළුවන්, hari? Right? Wait a minute. I will share the paper with you, right? මම paper එක share කරන්න, right? 8 men ළමයි. It is estimated that 6 men will take 8 days. 6 men will take 8 days to paint a wall of a house, right? To paint a wall of a house. First, you can download the paper, Lamai. First, you can download the paper, then try to do that one with me. Uh, if it is required to complete this task in 3 days, how many more men need to be engaged? It is estimated 6 men will take 8 days. 6 men, 8 days. 6 men, 8 days means, so what about the man days, right? Look at the man days, right? Man days equals to 6 multiplied by 8. Man days equals to 6 men will take 8 days. So that means 6 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 8 means Lamai 48 man days required. 48 man days required. To paint the walls of a house, it is required to complete this task in 3 days. It is required to complete this task in 3 days. How many more men need to be engaged, right? So you need to complete that task in 3 days. So that means, Lamai, 3 days, we don't know men count, so equals to 48. Then divide both sides by 3. Then 3 to 3 cancelled out. X equals to 16. Right? Yes. So that means Lamai 16. Now Lamai, so we are having 6 men. So question is asking more men. තව කී දෙනෙක් ඕනද? How many more men? So almost we are having 6 men. So how many more men? 10 men needed, right? 10 men. So that means Lamai 10 men, right? 10 men, right? Yes. So that means Lamai 10 men. 10 men is the answer. Right, okay, ne? 10 men. So how many men required to complete the certain task? 10 men. Look at the second question. Right, look at the second question. Find the magnitude of BAE. Find the magnitude of BAE based on the information given in the figure, right? 40, and look at the Z angle. Z angle means alternate angle. Me Z angle. So BAE, right? Z angle equals to 40, right? So what is the reason? Alternate angles. That means ABC, then ABC equals to 40 degrees. ABC equals to 40 degrees. I bet you alternate angles, right? ABC equals to 40 degrees. What is the reason? Alternate angles, right? Alternate angles, 40. Then Lamai, look at this one. Addition of two opposite angles. Triangle theorems matakaine. Addition of two opposite angles equals to exterior angle. Neda. So that means Lamai BAE. BAE plus, look at this one. BAE plus BAE plus ABC. BAE plus ABC. BAE plus ABC equals to 70 degree. So what is the reason? Exterior angle equals to, right? Exterior angle equals to, exterior angle equals to, right? Exterior angle equals to, then sum of interior opposite angle. Sum of interior opposite angle, right? Sum of interior opposite angles, right? Sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angles. Then my BAE, look at this one, BAE plus BAE plus ABC my 40, ABC 40 equals to 70. So that means my plus 40 moving to other side, plus 40 moving to other side, my minus 40. Then BAE equals to 70 minus 40. Karana puluwan. BAE equals to 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40 lamai 30. Right, okay lamai. BAE 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40 means 30. Right? Okay, then we are quickly moving to the next one. Api taggalam pedi ilangeta. Hari. Let's quickly move to the next one. Right, okay. Look at this one, Lamai. Right? Question number 3. Simplify this part. Right? Simplify this part. Question number 3. Simplify that part. Right? Look at this one. Simplify. Simplify means Lamai algebraic fraction part is there, right? So you can see the algebraic fraction part. Then question number 3. 3x, 6x and 12x lamai, what is the common denominator? අපි ඔක්කොම ටික හරව ගන්න ඕන 12x වලට. Then what is the common denominator? 12x. What is the common denominator? 12x. අන්න ළමයි. Then we can convert what is the common denominator for your 12x. 3x we need to convert to 12x. How to convert 3x to 12x? Multiply both sides by 4. How to convert 6x to 12x? Multiply both sides by 2. Right? Multiply both sides by 2. Right? 12x lamai 12x ne. Already 12x ne. No need to convert. Ever convert kan there ne. So that means 12x. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 8 over 12x plus 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 10 over 12x minus 7 over 12x, right? So that means lamai 7 over 12x, right? 7 over 12x. Then 12x is the common denominator, lamai 12x is the common denominator. That means 8 plus 10, 18. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 minus 7 lamai 11. 18 minus 7, 11. Right? 18 minus 7 lamai 11. Right? 18 minus 7 equals to 11. Then 11 over 12x. 18 minus 7, that one equals to 11. So that means lamai 11 over 12x is the answer. Right? Okay, let's quickly move to the next one. From the shapes given below, select and underline one that cannot be a shape of a face of right prism with a triangular cross section. Square can be there, ne? Square can be there. Rhombus can be there. Rhombus lamai no bane. Rhombus cannot be taken for the triangular prism. Bane lamai. Rectangle also can be there, right? Yes, rectangle also there. Based on the information given in the pie chart, right? Based on the information given in the pie chart, if the number of students who study drama, right? Yes, if the number of students who study drama and theater is 30, how many students study dancing? How many students study dancing, right? How many students study dancing? That means lamai, right? Look at this one. May balan video, right? Study drama and theater lamai 20, right? Drama and theater 20. First, we need to find down the angle related to dancing. මුලින් මේක හොයාගන්න එපා. First, we need to find down the angle related to dancing. එතකොට අපි දන්නවා ළමයි angles around the point add up to how many degrees? 360 degrees. Angles around the point add up to 360 degrees. So I'm going to take that angle as x. මම මෙයාව ගන්නවා x කියලා. හරිනේ? So that means 180 plus 180 plus 90 plus 180 plus 90 plus, right? X plus 20. X plus 20 equals to 360. 180 plus 90 plus x plus 20 equals to 360. 180 plus 20, 200. 200 plus 90, 290. මෙතන එනවා ළමයි 290. පට්ට ලේසි හොදේ. 290 plus 6. 290 plus 6 equals to 360. Then lamai plus 290 moving to other side, plus 290 moving to other side, plus converting to minus, right? X equals to 360, 360 minus 290, right? Yes, so that means lamai 290, so that means 70 degrees, right? So that means lamai 70 degrees. 70 degree. That one equals to 70 degree. Now lamai, look at this one. Just follow this steps lamai. This one is really easy. May steps ටික follow කරන්න ඕන ගානක් හදන්න පුළුවන්. 20 degree means 20 degree means how many students? 30 students. 20 degree means 30 students. 20 degree means 30 students. Then how many students are representing for 70 degree? Anna lamai 70 degree lamai don't know. I'm going to take that one as y. Danne මං ගන්නවා y කියලා. Then lamai how to do that one? Right? 20 multiplied by y. 20 multiplied by y equals to 70 multiplied by 30. 70 multiplied by 30. Then both sides divide by 20. Then both sides divide by 20, right? Then both sides lamai divide by 20. 20 to 20 cancelled out y, right? Y. Then lamai 0 to 0 cancelled out. 2 divided by 2, 1. 30 divided by 2, right? 30 divided by 2 lamai 15. Analamai 15 multiplied by 7, 15 multiplied by 7, 7 into 5, 7 into 5, 35, 7 into 5, 35, remaining 3, 7 into 1, 7 plus 3, 105 students, right? 105 students representing for dancing lamai, right? 105 students. So 105 students representing for dancing, right? 105 students are representing for dancing, right? Easy lamai. So that one is really easy, right? Okay. Now look at the next one. O is the center of the given circle. Chord AB bisect ළමයි chord AB chord bisect from the center. That means line drawn from the center means definitely this one equals to 90 degree, this one equals to 90 degree. අනිවාර්යෙන් එයා 90 දෙන්න 90. හරිනේ. Then DOC is a straight line. Find the magnitude of CDB. CDB. Find the magnitude of CDB. ළමයි, just consider this is a cyclic quadrilateral. මේ තියෙන්නේ cyclic quadrilateral එකක් මේ. Look at this one. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are add up to 180. Opposite angles add up to 180. Opposite angles වල එකතුව කීයද 180. නේ opposite angles add up to 180. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයයි මේ දෙන්න පැටිය 180. Addition of those two angles add up to 180. මේ දෙන්නගේ එකතුව 180. So that means ළමයි A, B, D, right? A, B, D, A, B, D plus A, E, D. A, B, D plus A, E, D. Right? A, B, D plus A, E, D. A, E, D equals to 180. Right? 180. Why? What is the reason? Opposite angles, right? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Opposite angles, right? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Then ළමයි AED equals to AED. AED equals to 120 ABD. That means ළමයි ABD plus ABD plus AED. AED means 120 equals to 180. Then 120 moving to other side. So that means ළමයි ABD, right? ABD equals to 180 minus 120, right? 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120. Then ABD ළමයි 60. හරිනේ. එහෙනම් ABD කීයද බැටියෝ 60, right? ABD equals to 60. Right? ABD equals to 60. ABD 60. අන්න ළමයි, then we can find down CDB. Just consider this triangle. මේ triangle එක හිතන්න. Just consider this triangle. 90, 60, 90. This one equals to 90. This one equals to 60. And this one, right. Then all three angles add up to 180. 90 plus 60 plus CDB. 90 plus 60 plus CDB. CDB equals to 180. That one equals to my 180. Right? 180. 90 plus 60, 150. 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus CDB. Right? 150 plus CDB equals to 180. Right? 180. Anna lamai, then we can move 150 to other side plus 150 moving to other side. So that means lamai CDB equals to 30. CDB equals to 30. Right? CDB equals to 30. Then CDB equals to 30. Right? Okay, the lamai. So that one is really easy, right? Please try to watch this video lamai, right? Try to complete that one before me. Mata කලින් කරන්න video එක. හරි? මට කලින් කරන්න. Then you can check your answers with me. Right? Hurry up. Quickly do this one. Question number 7, lamai. Question number 7, 2x squared minus. Then we can take 2 out of the bracket. So we can take 2 out of the bracket, lamai. Both numbers we can divide by 2, 2 out of the bracket. 2x squared divided by 2, x squared. 18 divided by 2, 9. Then we can write down x squared minus, look at this one, x squared minus 9 means lamai 3 squared. So that means 2 times, right? So that means 2 times x minus 3. Then what is the other one? X plus 3. X minus 3, x plus 3, right? X minus 3, x plus 3. X minus 3, x plus 3. Difference between two squares lamai. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b, a plus b. අන්නේ විදියට x squared minus 3 squared means x minus 3. What is the other one? X plus 3. Right? අන්නේ විදියට දාගෙන යන්න තියෙන්නේ. හරි? Right. Okay. Then let's quickly move to the question number 8 lamai. Right? Question number 8. Taking that log. 10 base means lamai log base 10, log base 10, right? Log base 10, 4.34. Log base 10, 4.34 equals to 0.6375. But log base 10 means LG. Log base 10 means LG. Then LG 4.35, right? LG 4.34. LG 4.34 equals to 0.6375. LG 4.34 equals to 0.6375. But they are asking LG 43.4. දැන් මේක කොහොමද කරන්නේ? Multiply by 10 නේ. So that means lamai LG 4.34 multiply by 10. ඇයි ළමයි 10න් multiply කරානේ වෙන එක decimal place එකක් ඒ පැත්තට යන්නේ. That means ළමයි logarithm multiplication means logarithm addition. So that means log addition. Then 4.34 plus LG, right? LG 10. කොහොම ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් easy. How many numbers are there? One number. One number means 0 point. How many numbers are there? Two numbers. How many digits are there? Two digits. Two digits means 1 point. Two digits කියන්නේ 1 point. එහෙම ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. LG 4.34 means lamai LG 4.34 means 0.6375 plus LG 10 means 1. Then what is the answer? 1.6375. 1.6375. 1.6375. Okay, lamai. 1.6375. Right? Question number 9. In the given figure, AB is a vertical tree, right? AB is a vertical tree and there is a bird at point B. There is a child in point C. Moreover, AC is horizontal. Okay, AC is horizontal. If the child observe the bird, if the child, right? If the child observe the birds with the angle of elevation A, right? And observe the birds with the angle of elevation A. Angle of elevation A. And the bird observe the child with angle of depression B. Bird observe the child with angle depression B. Angle depression B. Represent this information in the figure. Write the relationship between A and B. Right? Angle of the depression. Lamai, those two lines are parallel, no? Neither. So that means lamai those two lines are parallel. So that part is very easy. Then what is the connection between A and B? What is the connection between A and B? Yes. May those two angles are equal. May then are equal lamai. Those two angles are equal. Alternate angles, right? Then A equals to B. Alternate angles. A equals to B. Alternate angles means A equals to B, right? Yes, that means my A equals to B, right? Let's quickly move to the second one. A equals to B, right? Takalama bilang kita. Question number 11. Question number 11. Look at this one. Question number 11. Find the probability of obtaining 10 as sum of the two digits on the face that falls downwards when an unbiased tetrahedral die with its four faces marked 1, 3, 5, 7 is tossed up twice. Find the probability of obtaining 10 as the sum of two digits on the face that falls downwards when unbiased tetrahedral die, right, with its four faces, right, marked marked as right tossed up twice. So what is the easiest way, Lamai? There is an regular tetrahedron. There are two regular tetrahedrons. So you are going no only one regular tetrahedron. So you are going to toss four twice. දෙපාරක් උඩ දානවා. So what are the numbers marked on those tetrahedrons? What are the numbers marked? මොනවද පැටියෝ mark කරලා තියෙන numbers? 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 අපිට ලේසිම වැඩේ තමයි පොඩි grid එකක් අඳින එක, right? So we can draw the grid. පොඩි grid එකක් අඳිමු. 1 2, right? This is the first time, first attempt, second attempt. 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7, right? Yes, 1 3 5 7. So that means lamai all values are possible ne. දැන් පළවෙනි පාර එක වැටිලා දෙවෙනි පාරත් එක වැටෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. All values are possible නේ. So I'm going to draw, right? All values are possible no. Then I'm going to draw cross point for all the points. 1 2 3, right? 4, right? Yes. Sorry, we just missed question number 10 ne. Question number 10 lamai miss වෙලා තියෙනවා. Right, wait a minute. Right? It's okay, Lamai. Then I will complete question number 10 later, right? Now, Lamai, sum of two digits, right, obtain should be 10. Obtaining 10 as the sum. So what are the events we can take that addition should be equals to 10? No. 3 plus 7, Lamai, 3 plus 7, 10, right? 3 plus 7, 10 ne. So we can take 3 plus 7, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Again 7 plus 3, 10. So those are the events. So that means Lamai 1, 2, 3. Right? So that means what is the answer? 3 over 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4, 16 cross marks are there. So that means 3 over 16, right? 3 over 16 is the answer. හරිනේ? So that means ළමයි 3 over 16 is the answer. Right? 3 over 16 is the answer. Right? Okay, ne? 3 over 16 is the answer. Right. Let's quickly move to this question. The මේකට යන් පොඩ්ඩක් මාරුනානේ වැඩේ හරි. Right. මේකට යමු ළමයි. The height of a solid right circular cylinder is 3 times its base radius r. Right? Do not misunderstand ළමයි. Misunderstand කරගන්න එපා. This question related to this answer related to this part. Question number 11. We just missed question number 10. The height of a solid right circular cylinder is 3 times its base radius r. How many times of the paint required to paint only the base is needed to paint the curved surface of the cylinder completely? Right? Okay. There is a cylinder. Right? There is a cylinder. Then radius equals to r. Height lamai 3 times r. Height equals to 3r. Height equals to 3r. How many times of the paint required to paint only the base is needed to paint the curved surface, right, of the cylinder completely? Right, okay. So that means you need to understand the question, Lamai. How many times of the paint required to paint only the base, right? Only the base, right? How many times of the paint required to paint only the base it needed to paint the curved surface of the cylinder completely, right? Yes, so that means how to do that one, right? Area of the curved surface, area of the curved surface divide by area of the base. එහෙමනේ යන්නේ. එතකොට ළමයි මේකට no need to substitute values දාන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ. Area of the curved surface 2 5 r. H means lamai. H means 3r. What is the base lamai? 5r squared. ඉතින් මාර easy නේ ළමයි. 5 to 5 patas, 5 to 5 cancelled out. R into r squared, r squared cancelled out. 2 multiplied by 3, how many times? 6 times. How many times? 6 times, right? How many times? 6 times, right? 6 times. කී පාරක් යනවද? 6 පාරක් යනවා ළමයි. 6 times. Right, okay. Let's quickly move to the geometry part. Yes, so that one is easy. Find the value of the x on the information given in the figure. ABC is a straight line. Right, look at this one. Those two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal means opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal means lamai. This one also 40, right? This one also 40. Yat 40. Hari? Yes, 40. Now look at this one. Those two sides are equal. Just consider this triangle. Right? Just consider that triangle. Those two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means this one also 40. Mayat 40. Anna now consider the full triangle. Look at the blue color line. Right? Just consider the full triangle. Sampurna triangle එක බලන්න. Just consider the full triangle. 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 6. All three angles add up to 180. ඔක්කොම ටික 180 එන්න එපා. 40 plus 40 plus 6 plus 40. Right? 40 plus 6 plus again 40. All angles add up to 180. All angles add up to 180. ඔක්කොම ටික ළමයි 180. Angles of a triangle, right? Angles of a triangle. 40 plus 41, 80. 80 plus 40, 120. 120 plus x equals to 120 plus x equals to, right? 120 plus x equals to, look at this one, Lamai. 120 plus x equals to 180, right? 180, right? 180. 120 plus x equals to 180. 120 moving to other side. So that means x equals to 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120. Then my x equals to 180 minus 120. So that means x equals to 60. X equals to 60 degrees, right? X equals to 60 degrees, right? X equals to 60 degrees. Yes, question number 13. Right, okay. Let's quickly move to question number 13. Right, question number 13, Lamai. Integers between 0 and 7, prime numbers between 0 and 7. Then what is the third one? Multiples of 2 between 0 and 7, right? Multiples of 2 between 0 and 7. Select and underline the correct statement from the statements given below. Right, okay, let's see. This is the sample space, right? Prime numbers 0 to 7. What are the prime numbers between 0 to 7? 2 prime, 3 prime, 5 prime, right? 2 prime, 3 prime, so 5 prime, Nelamai. Then 5 also prime, right? That's all. We can't take 7 between 0 and 7. We can't take 7. Multiples of 2 between 0 and 7. So what are the multiples of 2 between 2? Then we can take 4 and we can take 6. 2, 4, 6. Right. A and B. This one equals to A. This one equals to B. Then what is the common factor between what are the common elements between A and B? Lamai 2 is common. 3, 5. B is common. 4, 6. Right? What are the integers between 0 and 7? 1, 2, 3. This one should be equals to 5. Ne? May 5 in no. Right? This one is very slow, Lamai. A and B, right? A and B. A means Lamai 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 5. Right? Then B means 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is missing. 1 nai lamai hari. A union B. A or B. That means A union B. What are the regions related to A or B? equals to full set. නෑනේ ළමයි. 1 is there. A intersect B equals to 2 and 4. No. A intersect B equals to only 2. Second one also wrong. NA equals to 3. NA equals to 3 lamai. Last one is correct. Only the last one lamai. So what is the correct one? Only the last one. Antimeka vitarai hari. Right? Last one is correct. Okay, ne? Right. Then we can quickly move to the next one. Right? Question number 14. You need to draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram එක අඳින්න ඕන. Question number 14. Simplify 3x squared into 2y over 2y divided by 8xy. Right? Ah. Then multiplication and division according to the Bodmas theorem, lamai. According to the Bodmas theorem, right? Multiplication and division same level. According to the Bodmas theorem, multiplication and division same level. ඒ කියන්නේ එකට multiply කරන්න පුළුවන්. 3x into 2y. So that means 3x squared multiplied by 2y over 8xy. 3 into 2, 6x squared y over 8xy. Right? 8xy. Then lamai y to y patas, y to y cancelled out. 6 divided by 2, 3, 8 divided by 2, 4. So that means 3x squared over 4x. Anna lamai x divided by x1, x squared divided by x. So that means 3x over 4. Then what is the answer? 3x over 4, right? What is the answer? 3x over 4, right? Yes, let's quickly move to the next one. The second term of a geometric progression is minus 6. Second term. Second term means lamai. Second term means first term A. Second term AR. Third term AR squared. ඔහොමනේ යන්නේ. Right? Then second term is minus 6. So that means AR equals to minus 6. AR minus 6. Third term minus 12. Third term means lamai AR squared minus 12. AR squared minus 12. Right? AR squared minus 12. What is the fifth term in this progression? That means lamai minus 6. So this one equals to minus 6. This one equals to minus 12, right? Minus 6 into minus 12. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 ne lamai. Minus 6 multiplied by 2 equals to minus 12. Then what is the next one? Minus 12 multiplied by 2 minus 24. Minus 24 multiplied by 2 minus 48. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Then what is the fifth term, lamai? Minus 48. What is the fifth term? Minus 48. Harine, right? What is the fifth term? So that means minus 48. Yes. So that one is very easy. Fifth term, minus 48. Right? A cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. A cyclic quadrilateral ABCD is shown in the figure. ADC is bisected by BD. ADC is bisected by BD. Bisected by BD. The side AB produced to E. Find the magnitude of CBE. Find the magnitude of CBE based on the information given in the figure. Right. Look at this one. Look at the angle at the same segment. This one equals to 32. Angle at the same segment, lamai. This one also 32. Right? 32, 32. Right? angle at the same segment, angle at the same segment, 32, this one also 32, right? 32, 32, angle at the same segment. හරිනේ. Now we need to find the magnitude of CBE. We need to find the magnitude of CBE. මෙන්න මෙයා තමයි හොයන්නේ. හරි. We need to find the magnitude of CBE. We need to find the magnitude of CBE. CBE තමයි හොයන්නේ. ඔබට අහගන්න 32, 32, right? ADC bisected by BD. ADC bisected by BD. හරියටම දෙකට බෙදලා තියෙනවා. BD. 32 means this one also 32, right? 32 means this one also 32. මෙයත් ළමයි 32. 32 means this one also 32. ADB also 32. I bisected by BD, no? Right? Then we need to find the value of CBE. In cyclic quadrilateral lamai, in cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle equals to interior opposite angle. In cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle, එහෙම theorem එකක් තියෙනවා. Exterior angle equals to interior opposite angle. So that means lamai CBE equals to CBE equals to අන්න ළමයි interior opposite angle 32 plus 32, right? 32 plus 32, 32 plus 32, ළමයි, what is the answer? 64. 32 plus 32 equals to 64, right? 32 plus 32 equals to 64. 64, what is the reason? Exterior angle equals to interior opposite angle, right? Exterior angle equals to interior opposite angle. Exterior angle equals to interior opposite angle. Interior opposite angle. Then CBE equals to lamai 64. CBE equals to 64. Right? Question number 17. Find the least common multiple of the following algebraic terms. Least common multiple lamai LCM. We can use division method, right? We can use division method for LCM value, right? Let's try to do that one. We can use division method, right? LCM value. Then 6 squared, right? Look at this one. 6 squared 5xy 2y squared. I'm going to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3x squared 5xy, then y squared, right? Then y squared. Then divide by 3 x squared 5xy, right? 5xy, then y squared. Then divide by x 5y, x comma 5y, then y squared, right? Then y squared. Then lamai divide by x 1 5y, right? 1 comma 5y, then y squared. Then divide by y, then divide by 5 වලින් බෙදමු. So that means lamai 1 comma 5 comma, right? So divide by 5 ne 1 comma y. Wait a minute, Tomina. Right. Right. And y squared. Then divide by y lamai. Again 1 comma 1 comma y. Again divide by y means 1 comma 1 comma 1. Again divide by y means 1 comma 1 comma 1. Right. 2 multiply by 3 6. 6x 6x squared 30x squared 30y 30xy 30xy squared. So that means Lamai, we need to multiply all these values together. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by x multiply by, right, x multiply by 5 multiply by y multiply by y multiply by y, right. 2 into 3 Lamai 6 6x squared 30 30x squared y squared 30x squared y squared, right. 30 lamai x squared y squared, right. 30x squared y squared. So that is the way we can find down the LCM value, 30x squared and y squared, right. Okay ne? Yes, let's quickly move to the next one. Question number 18. Taggalamu question number 18 walata, right. Question number 18 lamai. Right. The area of the triangular cross section of a right prism is 616. Volume of a right circular cylinder of the same height of the prism base R and equal to the volume of the prism. Find the value of R in centimeters, right? Find the value of R in centimeters. So that means find the value of R in centimeters, right? Let's see how to do that one. Taggala බලමු කොහොමද කරන්න කියලා. Right? Let's see how to do this one. Right. Okay නේ. Right. Okay. Question number 18. Look at this one. Question number 18. The area of the triangular cross section of a right prism. This one, the volume of a right circular cylinder of the same height as the prism and base radius equals to the volume of the prism. So that means my cylinder, right? Cylinder equals to prism. Cylinder equals to prism. Cylinder equals to prism lamai. Right? Cylinder equals to prism. Cylinder means, right? Look at the cross section lamai 616. Right? Yes, 616. Find the value of R. Volume of a right circular cylinder, same height as the prism. Same height lamai. I'm going to take this one also L, this one also L. Height is equal. And bases are, right, equal to the volume of the prism. Find the value of R in centimeters. Right, okay. Look at this one. Volume of cylinder phi R squared L equals to volume of the prism. Volume of the prism means my cross area multiply by cross area multiply by, right, cross area multiply by length. So that means you can see L to L we can cancelled out. L we can see on the both sides. So L to L cancelled out. Right? Phi means lamai 22 over 7 into R squared equals to 616. Division 7 moving to other side multiply by 7. So that means 22 multiplied by r squared equals to 616. Look at this one. 616 multiplied by 7. Then divide both sides by 22. Then divide both sides by 22. දෙපැත්තම ළමයි 22 වලින් divide කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. 22 to 22 cancelled out, right? 22 to 22 cancelled out. 22 8 no 22 divided by 11 2 616 divided by 11 5 66 means lamai 6, then 2 divided by 2 1, 56 divided by 2 28, 28 multiplied by 7, 28 multiplied by 7. So that means lamai r squared equals to 7 into 8 56 remaining 5, 14 plus 5 19. Then r squared equals to 196. 196 means lamai 14 squared. 196 means 14 squared. So 14 squared, that means r equals to 14 centimeters, right? R equals to 14 centimeters. This one is very slow lamai. Then I'm quickly moving to whiteboard, right? Mapada whiteboard දෙනවා මේක ටිකක් slow, හරි? Right, okay. Now look at the next one. ඊළඟ බලන්න ළමයි. Question number 19, right? Look at the question number 19, right? Yes, look at the question number 19, midpoints. Question number 19, midpoints of the side AB, AC is given triangle ABC are D and E respectively. ADE lamai, ADE patio, ADE equals to 90 degrees. ADE 90 degrees, find the perimeter of the quadrilateral BECD, BCED in centimeters. The midpoint of the side AB and AC of the given triangle AB, C and D are respectively ADE 90. Then we can apply midpoint theorem. අපිට midpoint theorem එක දාන්න පුළුවන්, right? We can apply midpoint theorem. According to midpoint theorem ළමයි, those two sides are parallel. අන්න පැටියෝ මේ දෙන්න parallel නේ. Yes. Then ADE 90 means this one also 90 ළමයි. Make up 90. ABC also 90. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral BCDE. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral BCDE. So this one equals to 4, right? 6 according to the midpoint theorem. This one equals to 3. මෙයා 3 වෙනවා. හරි. We need to find down the AC value using Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras වලින් AC බලමු. Right? Using Pythagoras theorem. 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, AC ne? 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, AC, right? Yes, so that means my AC. Then AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared. AC squared, AB squared means 8 squared plus 6 squared, 64 plus 36, then 100. AC squared equals to 100 means 10 squared, then AC equals to 10 centimeters. Analamai AC 10 centimeters means this one equals to 5 centimeters. This one equals to 4 centimeters. This one equals to 3 centimeters. Then how to find down the perimeter? How to find down the perimeter? Right? Perimeter equals to 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3. හදන්න පුළුවන් නේ. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. Right? හදන්න පුළුවන් ළමයි හදන්න. 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 5 centimeters. Right? Yes, then you can find down the perimeter. Right, okay, let's quickly move to the next one. ටක් ගාලා අපි ඊළඟට Find the equation. Find the equation of the straight lines that pass through the points and the Cartesian plane. Right. Very famous question. Right. There are 2 points. Right. There are 2 points ළමයි. Just consider 2 points. මොන හරි points දෙකක් කියලා හිතන්න. Y and X, right? So there are 2 points. මේ මං හරියටම අදින්නේ නැහැ හොදේ graph එක. හරි. What are the points, Petio? So what are the points? Question number 20. 4, 6 and 6, 9. Right? What are the points? 4, 6. Question number 20 හොදේ. 4, 6 and 6, 9. How to find down the equation? කොහොමද හොයන්නේ equation එක? Right. Look at this one. First we need to find down the m. M means y difference over x difference. Right? Then x1, y1, x2, y2. Right? Then y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So that means lamai minus 3 over minus 2, then 3 over 2. So that means m equals to 3 over 2. M equals to 3 over 2. Now we need to find the value of c. Then hoyanna ඕන c. How to find down the value of c? mx plus c. This is the common equation. එකක් අරන් substitute කරන්න ළමයි. එකක් ගන්න. එකක් අරගෙන substitute කරන්න. Just consider this one. මෙයාව ගමු. Y equals to 6. M equals to 3 over 2. X equals to 4 plus 6. Right? 2 divided by, right? Yes. Plus 6. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then 6 equals to 6 plus 6. Right? Annalamai 6 plus 6 means 6 moving to other side, though that c equals to 0. M equals to this one, c equals to 0. Itin lamai e sine mx plus c. M means this one. So that means 3 over 2x plus 0 means nothing. Plus 0 දාන්න ඕනේ. 3x over 2. Right? So that means lamai 3x over 2. ඔච්චරයි. හරි. 3x over 2. අන්න ළමයි that. That's all. Right? So that means 3x over 2. Right? Okay there. Then 3x over 2. Then you can pause the video and you can note it down. Right? ලියාගන්න පුළුවන් video එක pause කරලා හොදේ. Right. Then look at the next one. ඊළඟ බලමු. 21 ළමයි. Center of the given circle is O. Center of the given circle is O. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? This is the straight line. Find the magnitude of DEF. Find the magnitude of DEF, right? Find the magnitude of DEF. Let's see how to find the magnitude of DEF. මෙන්න මෙයා. Right? This is a parallelogram, right? This is a parallelogram lamai. Parallelogram means opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This one equals to 70 means this one also 70. Meat 70. 70, 70. Find the magnitude of DEF. 70. This one also 70. How to find the value of DEF, right? Parallelogram. ළමයි මේ. Look at this one. This is the diameter, ne? So this is the diameter. Diameter means ළමයි this one equals to 90. මේවා ලියන්න ඕන. This is the diameter. Angle at the semicircle. Angle at the semicircle means 90, right? 70 plus 90, 70 plus 90, and this one lamai, then you can find the values 70 plus 90. plus 70 plus 90 plus AED equals to 180. 70 plus 90, 160. 160 plus AED equals to 180. Then 160 moving to other side. AED equals to 160 minus 100, 180 minus 160, 20. මෙයා 20. 20 කියන්නේ පැටියෝ DEF. 20 plus DEF, 20 plus DEF, 180. 20 plus DEF, 180. ඔක්කොම ටික 180 නේ. 180 minus 20. What is the answer? 160. So that means lamai 160. Right? That means 160. Right? Yes. Only 4 questions more. So ප්‍රශ්න 4යි තියෙන්නේ. හරි? Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. Ramani deposited, look at this one. Ramani deposited a certain amount of money for 2 years in a finance company that pays an annual interest rate of 10%. With the interest compounded annually, the interest that she received for second year only is 660 rupees, and the total amount she received at the end of 2 years is 7,260 rupees. Find the amount he deposited, right? Find the amount he deposited, right? Yes. Then I'm going to take the whiteboard, right? You compare your whiteboard again. Question number 22. Right? Question number 22. Ramani deposited a certain amount of money for 2 years in a finance company that pays an annual interest rate 10% with the interest compounded annually. The interest, yes, right, that she received for the second year only is 660 rupees. And the total amount he received at the end of 2 years, lamai 7,260. Right? Let's take that amount he deposited equals to X. Nikan X කියලා. I'm going to take the amount that she deposited as X. Right? Okay, lamai. So that one equals to X. හරිනේ. Interest he received only for second year. Second year only 660. Right? 660. The total amount she received at the end of 2 years, the total amount. So that means total amount. Harida, yes. So that means my total amount he received at the end of 2 years, 7,260. Total amount means that amount plus interest. Right? Total amount means that amount plus interest. A amount එකයි ළමයි interest එකයි. තේරුණාද වැඩියෝ? Right. ආගන්න හොඳට. First year, then what is the interest for first year? Look at this one. Interest for first year. Interest for first year x multiplied by interest for first year x multiplied by 10 over 100. So 10 over 100. That means lamai x over 10. Interest for first year x over 10. Interest for second year 660. නේද? එතකොට total ළමයි. Total means right? Interest x plus, right? X plus interest for first year plus interest for second year. Interest for second year 660 all equals to 7260. ඔක්කොම ටික 7260. Division 10 ළමයි නේද? මෙයානේ පැටියෝ. Right. First, shall we remove this one? Then I'm moving plus 660 to other side. Then x plus x over 10 equals to, right, 64. Right? No, 68 ne. 66. හරිනේ? Yes. Then look at this one. Denominator is 1. 10 is the common denominator. How to convert to 10? Multiply both sides by 10. Then 10x over 10 plus x over 10 equals to 6600. Common denominator 10. 10x plus x. 11x equals to 6600. Division 10 moving to other side, so that means lamai multiply by 10, then divide both side by 11, then x equals to 1 and 600. 600 into 10, 6000. So what is the equation I have taken for that part? That amount plus interest for first year plus interest for second year all are equals to given amount. ඒ ඔක්කොම ටික තමයි අර amount එකට equal වෙන්නේ. Right, okay ළමයි. Yes. Question number 23. Look at this one ළමයි. Question number 23. Right? Question number 23. So that one is really easy. AC parallel to Annapadio. AC parallel to means this one equals to 70. This one equals to 70, right? This one equals to 70. Mea padio 70. Find the magnitude of AEB. Find the magnitude of AEB. Right? Yes, 70. Angle at the center is twice angle at the perimeter. Me? Angle at the center is twice angle at the perimeter. Look at this one. Me balan. Angle at the center is twice angle at the perimeter. According to alternate angle, this one also 70. හරිනේ ළමයි. Right? Sorry, not this one. මෙයා නෙමෙයි. Alternate angles. Right? According to alternate angle, this one also 70. මෙයා ළමයි 70. Angle at the center is twice angle at the perimeter. So therefore, ළමයි, ADB equals to 35. Angle at the center is twice angle at the perimeter. So this one equals to 35. Then what is the value of AEB? AEB means lamai, this is a triangle. Look at this one. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. That means 35 plus 70. 35 plus 70 equals to 105. අර දෙන්න එකතු කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. AEB equals to 35 plus 70. Right? Yes. Find the negative integral solutions of the inequality. Find the negative integral solutions of the inequality. Then 3x plus 11 greater than 2 plus 11 moving to other side. 3x greater than 2 minus 11. Then 3x greater than minus 9. Divide both side by 3. වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නෙගටිව් වලින් ඩිවයිඩ් කරනවා නම්. මෙතන නෙගටිව් වලින් නෙවෙයි ඩිවයිඩ් කරන්නේ. So we need to divide by plus 3. We are going to divide by plus 3, right? So no need to change that one. Change වෙන්නේ x is greater than minus 9 divided by 3 minus 3. What are the negative integral solution? X is greater than minus 3. So we can take minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. We can take minus 2 and minus 1. That's all. Right? Minus 2 and minus 1. ඔන්න ඔය දෙක ළමයි තියෙන්නේ. Right? Minus 2 and minus 1. Right. Last question අන්තිම එක. Then I'm quickly moving to the last question ළමයි. අන්තිම එක බලමු පැටියෝ. Right? Let's quickly move to the last question. 25. ABC and acute angle is given in the figure, right? Okay. This incomplete sketch has been drawn to find the center of O of the circle. Touches the side AB at the point B. Touches the side AB at the point B, right? So AB at point B means lamai, right? Okay. AB at point B means this one equals to 90. And touches the side AC, right? Also touches the side AC. Using the knowledge of loci, complete the sketch to sketch and mark O. So this one is done, 90 degrees given. Then lamai touches the side AC. Touches the side AC means, right? Circle that touches the side AB, right? This one, right? Okay. Then touches the side AC. Then how we can take that touches the side AC lamai? එයාව ගන්න කොහොමද? Touches the side AC. First we need to draw lamai 90 degree, right? Look at this one. First we need to draw 90 degree at the point B. B වලට 90 degree අඳින්න ඕන. First we need to draw 90 degree at the point B. It touches the circle at B ne. Touches the circle at B ne. අන්න 90 degree. හරිනේ? Touches the circle at B ne. So that means 90 degree. Right? Then lamai, this is the O. මේ තියෙන්නේ O. Then you can draw this one. Right? Also touches the AC. Right? Then this is the O. මෙතනින් ගන්නේ touches the AB at point B. Touches AB at point B means අනිවාර්යෙන් B වලට 90 අදින්න ඕන. Definitely you need to draw 90 angles for B. Right? You need to draw 90 angles for B. තේරුණාද පැටියෝ? Right. First 25 questions done. පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්න 25. Right? The next video I'm going to discuss what are the structured questions. මෙන්න මේ structured ටික මම ලස්සන්ට discuss කරනවා ඊළඟ video එකේ. Then if you have any question ළමයි just drop me the WhatsApp message. මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් පැටියෝ WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න 071 7574 679. Right? Okay, then goodbye all.